Hey everyone, welcome to React Native here. Good night. I record this audio to explain um, my day of work, right? My English is not so good, but I try. Okay. Um, Wait a moment. Okay. I recently had some issues using expo-cli to generate a build for Apple device. The problem was related to the Sentry version, but simply updating or downgrading, I didn't solve the issue. Um, when generating the build through the CLI, there are a few confirmation steps where Expo asks for yes or no responses. Uh, well, in a rush to get the build done, I always selected yes. However, I realized that by choosing um, yes in one of the steps, it was using the previously installed pods, Apple pods, of Cocoa pods, right? Which caused conflict and ultimately led to build errors in EAS. Eventually, I figured out that by selecting no, I could try a new build, possibly create a fresh iOS folder. After that, I had no more issues, and the pod installation was successful. It took me 2 days to really understand this. I even considered recreating the project and leaving Expo by using pre-build to work with the CLI instead. But thanks to few tries, I got a better understanding of how Expo EIS handles this. Well, that's all for now. Good night. See you on the next episode.